Good morning, 10:23 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're gathered here with this Google trade again, and we've called a short on Google way up there at the 845 level, but let us tell you that the intraday range is $14.23. Google had an opening print on the opening bell of 805.46. The high was 805.75. The low of the intraday as of this very moment is 791.52. Now, granted that Google is probably one of the better bull runs out here. However, that bull run right now is having the pullbacks that we call for. Today, just so that people can understand, here's the bid and ask 793.70 by 794, 791.52. The transaction from the market maker alert service was trading the April weekly $800 put. As everyone knows, we made great trades when Apple was up at 814 yesterday. We bought the 820 puts. Now they're at 2580 by 2660. You can go back and look at the website where those entries were. They're about $20 or less than $20, about $18 at where we bought them. Huge money to be made. That is the power of the market maker. The low on this contract, they had a close of $1.80, the low is $1.80, and the high of the $800 put is $9.30. That's the intraday high. Huge move. So you bought 10 contracts at $2.20. That's $2,200 investment. You sell them up here at $9.20 or $9. They're selling right in here. If you didn't sell out on the high, well, the market maker gives you that exit. No matter what, you take the exit. One of the things that I would like to bring to your attention, is to sign up for our program called you put your name, email, phone number here. Go to the discounted option classes. It's a service for that option pit. We do both options and we do both, meaning equities, stocks intraday. We will provide your account with trading capital to be above the pattern trading rule. The account owner will get a very discounted price. It's like $48 a day. Okay? $240 total for a week. What that means is while you're learning, you're getting fed, spoon-fed, the entry down here at that wholesale level and then exiting up here toward the highs. 10 contracts would have paid you over $6,000 at a minimum today using the $800 put. The prior day we used the 815, we've used the 820s, and we've used the 840 puts when Google put in its all-time highs. What I would like to point out clearly to everyone is that the results speak for themselves, as they do. You will be fed. You don't have to worry about having experience because it doesn't require experience at all. In fact, people that have no experience do quite well because they simply do what the market maker says on the entry and then on the exit. And we can clearly see that the intraday range was $14.23 off of that 805.75 high. What is that in layman terms? When that intraday range went down 14.23, that's when the option went from $1.80 to $9.30 on the high of the $800 put. Please get involved. Please sign up for your free 5-day trial. Let the market maker work for you. We have a great program on entry and exits. We're not from the day trading community. We are market makers at wholesale entries and retail exits. And then the profits speak for themselves. We've been featuring this with our trader network worldwide. Lots of people are excited to be able to do this because options make a lot of money and so does trading the equity. If you have enough buying power, intraday buying power, and we'll go back to the intraday buying power once again. The buying power breakdown is $2,500 account times 6 is $15,000 intraday. Well, on your $2,500 account today, buying 10 put options on Google just today alone at two, even though $1.80, so you're in at 2.20 and you're selling up here at $8.50, you would have made a tremendous amount of money. You'd have made about $6,000. Yes, it's a good program. And yes, we do it live right here with you. You'll log into the GoToMeeting and the Hotcom. And we have our own platform. Our orders are dispatched from the market maker pit that we have to directly you. And basically, you can clearly see where that mathematical reversal started. Right here on that opening bar, you can see where the diamond started to go down. This is a 3-minute chart. Let's be clear, on a 3-minute level. We went straight down, we bounced up, and we made these lows down here, and we've made an intraday low for now. But Google still is not nearly as overbought as it was a couple of weeks ago. The stock had a great run, and it just is overbought with the broader markets right now. The bull needs to understand that we're going into the quarterly earnings next week. Every one of these companies are going to have to report their earnings. I recommend that you get here for the earnings season right away. All you have to do now is take the next step. We will do the results and you'll get the profit. Just click on Get Started Today. We're very happy to have you. We're very happy to work with you. We're very happy to get you these option entries and exits with huge profits based on the directional price movement of Google going down $14 intraday, which made these put options go up to your exit with huge amount of profits that you can make using our service. Orders that you cannot get. And like the old saying is, I would rather have orders that pay me in my trading than get whacked by these markets. They're not very nice at times. High frequency trading is high frequency trading. But a market maker like ourselves, we know how to get these entries. They close at $1.80. They were very cheap. Actually, the prior day, you could have got them at a much lower price than $1.80. And you can see $9.30 is the high. Once again, we're highlighting this as these trades are being transacted, as we've hit 791. And not only that, we'll revisit the chart because at some point, once this selling is done, and once Google comes out with its quarterly earnings on April 18th, if they drop this stock $50, $60, $70 in after hours, refer to our after hour trading videos during the earnings season, you'll get very excited. We will know when to buy the dips for the calls. Right now, the put side, the short side, the bear side is working and has been working for several days. Everything has price volatility. Nothing goes straight down. Let the market maker do the work for you and let you reap the profits.